Hey everyone, this is Chris. Come back with another new video. So in this video we have to talk about how we can run Kali Linux on your PC laptop. By this method you can easily boot your Kali Linux on your PC without data format. Let's begin the video. First of all, you need to open any browser and search here kalilinux.org. Simply I search kalilinux.org. After that, simply click on download get Kali. Okay, simply click on it. Here we have to redirect to official Kali Linux. Simply scroll down and select live boot. After that, we redirect to this page live boot. Simply scroll down and here we have to find two options. One 64-bit and second one is 32-bit. If your PC and laptop having less than 8 GB, you can simply download 32-bit. And if your PC laptop having more than 8 GB RAM, you can simply download 64-bit. Okay, I simply download weekly image, and you also can download a stable one, Kali 24.1. Okay, I want to install weekly image. Its size is approx 4 GB. Wait for downloading. After downloading the ISO file, simply you need to download refuge.exe file from browser. You can easily download this refuge.exe file. Okay, simply first of all double click on this file and click on run. Simply you need to minimum 8 GB pen drive insert in your PC or laptop. Make sure pen drive does not contain any important data because in this process pen drive completely formatted. Okay, simply insert your minimum 8 GB pen drive, maximum to maximum, and after that simply click on select. Okay, simply click on select. After that, where we have to download ISO file of Kali Linux, simply select. After that, no need to change anything. You can simply change level what you want to name. Okay, after that simply click on start. Here we have to select a right ISO. Simply click on OK. After that, this type of page appears. Simply read and click on OK. After that, this type of warning appears. Your data will be formatted. Okay, simply click on OK. Make sure pen drive does not contain any important data. After that, click on OK. It will start create a bootable pen drive. Simply wait for complete. After complete this process, simply wait for completing. Okay, after that simply power off your PC and shut down your PC laptop which you have. Simply I shut down my PC. After that simply power on your PC and then simply boot in boot menu. You can see on your screen boot menu shortcuts. According to your motherboard, simply you can press button and simply boot in boot menu. After that simply you redirect this type of page appears. It's maybe you different in your case. Simply you need to select your pen drive. Okay, after selecting pen drive, you will redirect to this type of page appears. Simply you can see here many option appears, but you need to simply select first option, live system AMD 64. Okay, simply hit enter and select this one. After selecting, it will start boot. You can see. Don't eject your pen drive from your PC. After that, you can see Kali Linux boot animation appears. Simply wait here. It will take about 1 or 2 minutes approx. Okay, after that it will started booted on my PC. Simply you can see here. Okay, you can see all features and tools installed on my PC. It's a full version, it's not a minimal or light version. You can use all tools of Kali Linux which you want to use. Everything working perfectly. You can see it's a Kali Linux terminal. And here we have to see all tools are updated at latest version. Everything working perfectly on this Kali Linux, but don't expect your better performance. I mean far performance on this live boot. Okay, if you want to get far performance, you need to simply install as a main operating system. Okay, you will facing some delay issue after clicking, but you can use it's usable. Okay, you need to simply connect your Wi-Fi to use any browser. Connect your Wi-Fi and you can use. Okay, everything working perfectly. If you want to boot in your old window, okay, simply you need to restart your PC. Before you need to eject out your pen drive. Okay, simply I eject it. After restarting, you will redirect it to your official window operating system which you have to install before. Okay, if you want to install in phone Kali Net Hunter, you simply comment if you want to video on this topic. Thanks for watching.